Hello and welcome to the video tutorial guide. Today, we'll be showing how to open XER files using the NEO-Project Toolbox. First, click on the NEO Project on top of the screen menus. Then, click on the icon towards the left side of the screen showing the Load XER. Then, this screen will appear. Proceed to choose the XER file you want to open. You can define different sheet names for the XER that you will import. Also, you can import the layouts that you use in Primavera. You can choose your layout from the drop-down list for your already imported layouts. If you want to load a new layout, you just need to click the Upload PLF button and add a new layout that you want to use. After the upload is complete, the PLF file can be selected from the Layout drop-down list for future imports. You can import the schedule with a Gantt chart, or if you wish to import only the activity list. Please choose your selection from the radio buttons at the left. Also, if it is not defined in your layouts, you can import the remaining activities or all activities by selecting the radio buttons to the right. After those selections, you can click the Create button at the bottom right corner of the screen. While this is happening and you would like to check the input status progress, please look at the bottom left corner of your screen. When the XER is loaded, there are a couple of helpful additions that the NEO-Project Toolbox implements. There are 3 added columns into your layout. The first is the level coding at the most left column. On this column, we use T for task, SM for start milestone, FM for finish milestone. We also use L0, L1, L2 coding for the scheduled layout levels. The other 2 columns are added after the start and finish dates of the activities. Those columns are used to reflect if the activity is actualized or not. If these columns contain an A, that means that the date mentioned at the left side is actual start or actual finish date. As default, we also add column filters at the activity list section. With using this standard Excel functionality, you can filter out only some part of the listed activities. If your filter out only contains L at the level column, at the most left column, you can see the summary schedule. You can use all other Excel functionalities with the imported data. In this video, we looked over how to open an XER file. Your comments and recommendations are important for us. Please send your comments and improvement suggestions to us through the resource section of our website, www.NEO-Project.app. Thank you for choosing the NEO-Project Toolbox.